and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. If you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today.
So it's the 11th of the 11th, 2021. Yeah, so it's Remembrance Day, guys. So I hope you bought a poppy. Right, so let's look at the trades that we're looking at today. So I've got 4 trades today, guys. First of all, I'm looking at the Aussie dollar, Japanese yen. Like I say, we've been shorting this all week. It had a little spike up yesterday, but then rejected this level and came back down. Okay, so I still think we have room to our original target of 82.51. Let's have a look on the H1 for our execution. So it's because of this large spike up yesterday, guys. Yeah, see this? Because of this large spike up, it's made the chart very messy. But we've got this level here, you know, the higher grey area here, which price rejected at, all right? And we've also got this zone that we looked at yesterday as well. So what I want to see to go short is either a move up to the grey zone here and a bearish candlestick pattern, and I'll take it back down to the low of 83. Or I want to see price do this. Okay, so I want price to break out of here. Okay, come back to here. Okay, and then see a large bearish candlestick pattern, and then take this back down. First target 83, but then take this target back down to the 82.50 area. All right, so slightly messy chart, guys, but still looking to short the Aussie dollar, Japanese yen. Next one, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. All right, this is the day chart. Again, we've been shorting this most of the week. Yeah, you can see our target here hasn't changed. So the blue zone here of 0303. And you can see on this wick here on yesterday's daily candle that it rejected this area here. All right. So still looking to short this down to 0303. All right. So let's look at H1 for execution. Again, guys, similar to the Aussie dollar yen, this had a large spike upwards, which again has made the chart look messy. All right, but this grey zone is still intact. And as you can see, at 6 o'clock GMT, 6 p.m. GMT, this large candle formed. So you could have got in on this candle. But now what am I looking for? So I'm looking for price to move back up into this grey zone here, and a bearish candlestick pattern, and I will just take it back down to the lows of 10335. Or similar to the Aussie dollar yen, I'm looking for price to come down here, okay, and then retrace back into this grey zone. All right, and then a bearish candle pattern forms here, and then take it back down to the daily target. All right, the 0300 level. All right, so both of those are options to take this trade short. Now, guys, next one, the pound against the New Zealand dollar. So yesterday, yeah, it's in a downtrend. We can clearly see this. We've got a bearish candle with a large wick formed yesterday. So I think we can take price back down to the low of 8908. Okay, this kind of area is our target. All right, so let's look on the H1 for our execution. Yeah, so yeah, you can see price rallied, was in an uptrend, okay, and now price and market structure has broken down. Yeah, we've got lower lows, and now we're looking for either a bearish candlestick pattern in the first grey zone, okay, and then we can take it back down to this target here, or price will move up to the second grey zone and again a bearish candlestick pattern. If it does it at this level, I will just be looking to take it back down to the low of around 89.75, because you're still going to have a good risk to reward. All right, so pound against the New Zealand dollar short today. And finally, the last trade I'm looking at today is the New Zealand dollar, or the Kiwi, against the US dollar. So yesterday, the US dollar had a bit of strength across all of the pairs. But as you can see here, we've got, so an uptrend, but then this low has broken, it's come down, and now we've broken this low as well. So market structure for me is now in a downtrend. Yesterday, we had a large bearish candlestick pattern. Just a large candlestick, red candlestick form. It broke this low here. So I'm looking to take this price back down to 0.700. Yeah, okay. Yeah, around 0.700. Okay, so this seems like a good logical target. Let's look on the H1 for our execution. So this grey zone, that was the day zone that I was looking at. But here, guys, this smaller grey zone is what I'm looking at today. So if price, as you can see, has come down, I want to retrace into this grey zone, a bearish candlestick pattern. We can take it back down to this low or our target from the daily chart that we just looked at. All right, so New Zealand US dollar, we're shorting that today as well. Okay, so they're the 4 trades for today. Let's take a look at the news. So overnight, guys, we can see we've had some really important news coming out of the out of Australia. Yeah, this 3-star rating, looking at the employment change, and look at this. The forecast was 50k, and the actual result was minus 46k. This is a massive miss on the forecast. Okay, so this is going to put pressure, selling pressure on the Australian dollar. Okay, so it gives us more emphasis and more impact on the Aussie dollar trades that we're looking at today. Yeah, gives us an extra level of confluence to take those Aussie dollar trades short. Okay, yeah, that is a huge miss. Okay, so carrying on through the day, let's take a look. 7 o'clock, yeah, the GDP, the gross domestic product of the UK. Yeah, 2 3-star ratings here, so must be aware of this, guys. This can really move any pound trade that you are in. And also at the same time, 7 o'clock, some manufacturing production information as well. After that, guys, there's not much apart from the European Central Bank forecast. This obviously impacts the euro, and this is at 10 o'clock GMT. So keep an eye out for this if you're in a euro trade. Other than that, guys, no news for the rest of the day. Guys, if I could ask you, if you enjoy these videos every morning, my daily analysis, if you could subscribe to the channel and like and share, that would be greatly appreciated. And I hope you have a wonderful trading day.